These natural-born mountaineers make it look like a walk in the park. Salt. It's so rare up here. Ibex risk everything to reach it. He has no choice but to follow his mother. A fall would mean certain death. The higher he goes, the more vertical the face. He balances. Every step on a knife edge. Now his survival depends on his innate superpower. It's exhausting work for one so young. Just in time, his mother notices. She gives him a chance to recharge. 150 feet up, finally, he reaches his goal. It may not look like much, but this mineral lick is crucial for the kid to grow up.